Today, I'm making chicken teriyaki, a dish everyone loves. I'll carefully show you the key point to make it delicious, so please watch until the end. First, let's mix the ingredients for the teriyaki sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of mirin, 1 teaspoon of honey. Adding honey makes it easier to achieve a nice glaze. Juice of 1 orange. That's it. Even without adding sugar, it has mild sweetness and the orange aroma gives it very fruity teriyaki flavor. Prepare 2 pieces of chicken thighs. Trim off any excess fat and sinew. Poke holes in the skin side with fork. This helps the sauce penetrate better. Sprinkle a little salt on the skin side. This will give it nice, crispy sear. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and cook the chicken with the skin side down. Always start with the skin side. Place a plate on top as ready to achieve an evenly browned surface. Let's cook it over medium heat to slowly achieve a nice golden brown color. Look at that beautiful golden brown color. At this point, the most important thing is to wipe off the excess fat with a paper towel. If too much fat remains, it won't grate properly. Add the teriyaki sauce that we prepared earlier. Cover with lid and cook on low heat for 7 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked through, take it out. Then, reduce the teriyaki sauce until it thickens. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and place them on a plate. Then pour the teriyaki sauce over it. Sprinkle plenty of black pepper and enjoy. The key to making delicious teriyaki chicken is first to get a good sear. Second, remove the excess fat. Third, cook on low heat to make the chicken tender. Lastly, reduce the teriyaki sauce until it thickens nicely.